Hello, I'm Danny Bosing. Welcome to this edition of Connections, Samtec's online newsletter. I'm here today with Andy Shrout, and he is our high-speed cable product manager at Samtec. Say hello, Andy.
Hello.
Andy, today we're talking about our AcceleRate product line. And before we get into the specifics, can you give us a general overview of Samtec AcceleRate?
Oh, I could talk about AcceleRate all day. Samtec AcceleRate systems are high-speed, high-density, board-to-board, and cable assembly interconnects. Density and performance are the two key points. These are all high-speed connector and cable systems on 0.635 millimeter pitch, and they're available in many different pin counts.
And I understand that we have three types of AcceleRate products. Can you give us a quick overview of each one?
Yes, there's the original AcceleRate, sometimes called AcceleRate Slim. There's AcceleRate HD. The HD stands for high density, meaning many IOs per square inch. And the third is AcceleRate HP. The HP stands for high performance.
All right, well, let's start at the beginning. Tell us about the original AcceleRate Slim.
Sure. AcceleRate is the industry's slimmest cable system. It's only 7.6 millimeters wide. It incorporates Samtec's high-speed, ultra-low skew twin-ax with direct attach to the contacts. This eliminates a transition card from the cable to connector, and this improves signal integrity. A rugged metal latching system improves reliability of the ARC6 cable, and the ARF6 socket is shielded, and it has standard weld tabs to increase the mechanical strength of the connector onto the PCB.
Okay, got it. Now tell us about the second one, AcceleRate HD.
Oh, of course. The HD stands for high density. AcceleRate HD is a two-piece board-to-board system. It's a four-row design. The pins are on 0.635 millimeter pitch, and it's currently available with up to 240 total IOs, with larger pin counts in development. Combining the 0.635 millimeter pitch with its slim 5 millimeter width, you get 240 IOs in a small 0.332 square inch area. That's why we call it HD, or high density. It's rated at 56 gigabit per second PAM4, and solder ball technology is standard. This simplifies processing and helps the connector self-align on the PCB during processing.
All right, there's AcceleRate HD. The last one's AcceleRate HP. Tell us a little bit about that.
Absolutely. The HP stands for high performance, where the AcceleRate Slim and HD are both rated at 56 gigabit per second PAM4. AcceleRate HP is rated at 112 gigabit per second PAM4.
That's pretty fast.
Yes.
Can you describe how it achieves that 112G data rate?
Oh, I was born to talk about 112 gig data rates.
I bet you were.
Well,
go ahead, please.
Well, while the pins are on the same 0.635 millimeter pitch as the other two AcceleRates, HP is not quite as slim. There's additional space between rows, and while it's only an additional 3.75 millimeters, this extra space helps the system to achieve that higher performance. This reduces rotor-row crosstalk and improves SI characteristics. Like most other Samtec Array products, the pins are in an open pin filled configuration. This gives designers tons of flexibility when it comes to grounding and routing signals. Currently, AcceleRate HP is a two-piece board-to-board system, and we're putting the finishing touches on a cable assembly that's also rated at 112 gig.
Okay. Now, Andy, anytime we talk about high-speed cable assemblies, we have to talk about the quality of our twin-ax cables. Can you tell us just a little bit about this?
Well, Danny, when I was in high school, I was voted most likely to talk about twin-ax.
I bet you were.
Well,
go on.
This is Samtec high-speed cable. Our ultra-low skew twin-ax uses co-extrusion dielectric technology, which improves signal integrity, bandwidth, and reach. Samtec twin-ax has the highest performance of any cable in the industry, typically 4 cable gauges faster than our competitors. We also have new products and line extensions underway. Be sure to check back soon for more details on the AcceleRate Mini cable system and the AcceleRate MP signal and power combo connector.
Thanks, Andy. Last question. Who are some of our customers for these AcceleRate products?
Well, test and measurement equipment, ASIC prototyping and emulation, design automation, medical equipment, especially imaging, datacom and telecom equipment, high-performance computing, AI and machine learning systems, mass storage, military, commercial flight, space, satellites, and entertainment, just to name a few.
just to name a few. Yeah. That's a lot of customers for this stuff. Where would somebody go? Where would they look if they needed more information on our AcceleRate products?
Well, please go to samtec.com/accelerate, and you'll find data and specs on all 3 AcceleRate products. Or for a more personal touch, please email hdr@samtec.com if you have specific questions.
Thanks, Andy. And hey, thanks for watching. Hope you'll join us next time on Connections.